Hello guys, another cooking dude on your screens, on your smartphones, and today I will cook some gazpacho, one of my favorite dishes, and I will cook it my way, because I will do it with some roasted sweet peppers, and I will roast it right on the gas fire, on the gas stove. Actually, the recipe is super simple. All we need is some peppers, like that, some garlic, just simple garlic. The cucumber is gonna be our garnish without a skin, some onions, and of course tomatoes, because you know, gazpacho soup is called soup made from the tomatoes. And of course some fresh basil, of course. First of all, I'm gonna fire up my gas stove and roast two of these bell peppers until they're gonna be not just golden brown, they're gonna be really burn. They're gonna be black outside. It's gonna give us some really smoky smells, some smoky flavor. Just take your time. It's gonna last like it's gonna take like 3, maybe 5 minutes. Depends of the power of your stove. This color is really nice. That's what we need. Really black color. But don't worry, we're gonna scrape it as it's gonna be cooked. And yes, I know, my English sucks, so never mind. As long as you understand me, I don't care. Oh, it's almost done. Like maybe 4, 5, maybe 7 minutes. For me, it's like 5 minutes, maybe 4 minutes, because my gas stove is really large and powerful. And then just give your peppers some time to relax, because they need to cool down a little bit. That's what we need, this color. They are too large. I will cover them with tin foil or maybe another pan. How it's called? Not a pan. I need to search in Google. Mold? Is this a mold? Shape? Form? Never mind. As long as you understand me. Now, we need to remove the skin from our tomatoes. The best way is just to put them in the boiling water for 30 seconds or something like that. But first of all, just do this cross cut on them. So it will be much easier to remove all the skin after the boiling water. You can just fill something with the boiling water. Look at that. 30 seconds and they will be done. Easy way to remove all the skin. Now 30 seconds and I will remove everything from this hot boiling water. Not boiling, but really it's really hot. Look at this. The skin is already trying to remove, trying to escape. We just need to help it a little bit. Look at that. It's super easy. And all the skin is gone. And of course we need to remove this core, because it's tough and tastes not very good. I mean, this small thing, we need to remove it. I will cut like that, and then just two small cuts, and this core is gone. Now, what's about an onion? To my taste, you can use raw onion just as it is, but it's too strong. So I'm gonna cut it and put it in hot water for about 30 seconds. So the onion will be, it will have its own smell, its own flavor, but it's not gonna be so strong. So I will cut it like that and then put it in the really hot water for 30 seconds. I think this is more than enough. Just 20, maybe 30 seconds, this is more than enough. It won't be spicy. It won't kick your tongue. I think that's it. And just wash it with some cold water to stop it from boiling. Now, and what about those peppers? They've cooled down, so we can peel them. Actually, this is super easy, but of course you can do it under the pouring water. But all these membranes, all this skin is just disappear like that. It smokes a little bit inside, but this dark skin, 90% of it we have to remove. And of course, we don't need any seeds inside as well. So just cut this core with the seeds. We don't need it. And the rest of the seeds you can just wash it. But 90% of the seeds are right there on the core. And the rest of those I will just wash it. Now, what shall we do with the cucumber, or as English people call it, cucumber? Just peel it, because the skin is much tougher than the flesh, than the meat of the cucumber. And we don't need any seeds, because the seeds are 100% water. So remove all the skin, then cut it by half, like that, and remove the seeds just with a simple spoon. This is really easy. Look, this is all water, we don't need it. We need only this white part, because it has the flavor of cucumber, it's not watery, and it's not bitter like the skin. Sometimes the skin of the cucumber is bitter, but the cucumber is only for the garnish. You can skip this step if you don't like cucumbers. And the garlic, of course, we need some garlic as well. Just gonna peel it, and I think I need 2 cloves, because especially this garlic is giant. I think 1 clove and maybe 3 cloves of garlic. I love garlic, so I'm gonna use 3 of those. Smash it a little bit. You don't have to cut it, because we will blend it. The final step is to blend everything together. And of course, we need some olive oil, some freshly ground black pepper, some salt, and some basil. I will use like a big pinch of basil. So let's blend everything together. So the tomatoes, you don't see them because of this handle. The tomatoes right in there, roasted peppers in there. It looks like a lot of vegetables, but they will shrink a lot while they blend. Our garlic in there, and onions, of course. Onions, like 10, maybe 15% of everything is onions. And of course, where is my basil? Basil in there. And we need some black pepper, salt, and olive oil. Okay, some salt, black pepper, and some olive oil. A few tablespoons. And now let's blend it. A little bit more salt, a little bit more pepper, and I will blend it again. And now the garnish. Cucumber, crunchy. Some more black pepper and a little bit more of olive oil. And guys, believe me, this is super delicious. Garlic, roasted peppers, tomatoes, and of course, this soup should be cold. Not cold, but you know, not a room temperature, like maybe 15 degrees, about that. This is super cool. Thank you for the subscribing, and I hope you understand me. Write in the comments, do you understand me at all? Or maybe not. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. Thank you. Bye.